phone to my husband, the love of my life, the apple of my eye, my soulmate.
Now pass the motherfucking phone.
G's okay?
For the last time, we are not married. Anyways, I'm passing the phone to a bitch that had a lot to say about me pre-debut. Next time you call me a bad rapper, I'm throwing hands.
If you actually knew how to rap, I wouldn't have said that, but truth hurts, I guess. You got better now or whatever. Anyways, I'm passing the phone to my twin, who always tries to kiss me. Like, bro, we're not from Alabama. Sit your ass down.
Acting like kissing the homies goodnight is a crime or something. Anyways, I'm passing the phone to my favorite cook in the group. And basically, the only bitch who can make anything without burning down the kitchen.
Changbin can relate.
Fuck you, Sungmin.
Not gonna lie, it's hard being the only competent one around here. I'm passing the phone to the member who's a full-time menace to society, part-time singer. Don't let his golden retriever visuals fool you. That motherfucker is an ankle biter.
Watch your mouth. I will definitely bite your goddamn ankle. Anyway, I'm passing the phone to the grandpa of the group. I don't know why he's still here instead of being in his goddamn retirement home.
Someone remind this fucking dumbass that I'm only 3 years older than him. I'm passing the phone to the other guy that's only nice to me when he needs something. The moment I want to give him a hug, the fucker dodges me like I'm the plague or something.
It's literally not my fault that none of you have any concept of personal space. Anyways, I'm passing the phone to the most vertically challenged one in the group. I have to bend down to talk to that short-ass motherfucker.